Okay, I have a Kwikset KIK lock. It does work very smooth. It is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. I have put it in this holder to hold the KIK lock a little better. So let's open it up, take a look at the pins that Steel Pennings has put in this. Rob sent me this lock along with 4 other locks. So, but Steel Pennings pinned all of them, I believe. Okay, let's use bottom of the keyway, and let's use this pick. Sounds like we're getting a lot more rain outside. 1, 2, 4, 5, 1. Let's go back to the front again. Didn't get anything on that pass, so see, okay, there's 1. Okay, there's pin 4, I believe. It's more than 1. There was 3. 1. Okay, there it is, open. That lock was a little bit tough, but it wasn't real bad. The bitting on the key is what made it a little tougher, but it wasn't, you know, not that bad, not that drastic. If I'd tried to open it before I turned the camera on, I might have opened it a little faster, but I didn't want to open it fast. Okay, let's take it out of the holder. Okay, take the cap off. Now let's see if we can get the clip off. Okay, let's just lock it up. We have a key, so let's just lock it up till we get the clip off. I really love these clips on these locks. Okay, there we go. Alright. See if we can do this. Okay, that works out great. Okay, all 5 pins are in and working. All right, let's take a closer look at the plug. Okay, he's got threading in 1, 2, and 4. This one is a little bit enlarged at the top. This one looks like it might be slightly enlarged and a little bit of threading in the bottom. This has threading on it. So all the chambers has threading. 2 and 4 are enlarged. Okay, let's take a look at the top pins. Okay, pin number 1. Looks like a serrated pin. Let me back it up a little. Pin number 2. We will take a closer look at these pins in just a moment. There's a wafer. We got okay, there's something in number 2. Looks like it's maybe that's just a spring. Okay, that was just a spring. Doesn't appear that he's threaded the upper chambers. Yes, it does. There is threading in part of the chambers, looks like. Anyway, let's look at the pins. Okay, pin 1, 2, and 3. Serrated pin on the bottom. Serrated and spool pin. Another serrated pin. This is a serrated upper pin. This is a T-pin, upside down, looks like. This is another type of spool. Serrated key pin, serrated key pin. And we have a wafer, and we have a little mushroom type spool similar to it. This was probably in this way, but I don't know what the wafer was in for, because I didn't find any other. Wait a minute, let's back up a minute. Okay, this was a pin. Okay, I guess this wafer was on the T-pin. No, that is a T-pin also. So the wafer was on this T-pin that it popped out. Okay, that's what we have in this Kwikset KIK lock from Rob and Steel Pennings that pinned the lock. I appreciate Rob sending this to me, and also appreciate Steel Pennings pinning the lock up for me. So anyway, I hope this wafer's in the right spot. And that one looks like it should have had a wafer on it, but I don't see another wafer in the lock. Alright, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.